Today we're going to start in the basement of Autosport Designs. We're going to do our cold start here and then road test an absolutely superb example of a 1986 Ford RS200. It's not only a standard RS200, but is one of only 2 painted black from the factory and one of only 20 with the 350 horsepower S upgrade kit. So this should be pretty fun. Let's go. Okay, well, here's our cold start. Let's get out of the basement. As those who are in the know will understand, this RS200 is one of 146 RS200s that were homologated for the famed Group B Rally Series. I think we should put the windows up. Put the windows up. Nice electric windows. Let's go first to third while we're warming everything up. Let's try the horn. I mean, every rally car needs a radio. Well, it's not exactly the Philharmonic, but it'll do. If you actually want tunes. Okay, we don't need the radio anymore. It has got 2,604 miles to date. It is probably one of the best ones in the world. As we said, it was also one of only 2 in black from the factory. Also fitted with 350 horsepower S upgrade kit. Pretty special in its own right. We've already mentioned how rare this is in black. I will say most of them have been produced in white, and they do look great in white, but the rarity is in the fact that there are only 2 black RS200s, and again, very few with the S option. There are also 4 red RS200s. So we've trumped the paint to sample by 2. You can hear the wastegate. The driving position is exceptional. Sounds great with a lovely burble. Does have a nice cooling fan should you want to recirculate the interior temperature. Wonderful 1.8 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. It's got a great exhaust note when you lift off the throttle on a pleasant day. You'll see a nice flame from the unburned fuel. It is a hell of a lot of fun even at low speeds. So it is usable. We'll get to our pond road where we can get on it a little bit in a second. And then we will drop Jack off for some flybys. Then we're going to drive the RS200 to the deli to get a rather late lunch. That's how usable it is. Well, she wants to go, but I don't know if we have enough room to let her stretch her legs properly. It's a lot of fun, that's for sure. Cruising altitude in 5th gear. Now she's warmed up. And let's drop off jack right over here. Take a run through the hills and end up at the deli. Forgot how much fun these are. I think it likes cruising around the neighborhood. That's right. This is no Group B rally. This is Long Island in traffic. Although some of our roads here certainly do look like a rally stage after the winter. And you are handling it admirably. Well, time to get to the deli. We're just leaving the deli. So here is our hot start. Temperatures and pressures have been absolutely wonderful on the road test thus far. I must say the gearbox takes a bit of time to warm up and then it is happy. But, you know, there's a race car underneath here. I like the slight lag that it has. I mean, it's very 80s. And that's the charm. Love the wastegate sound. It's comfortable. Well, we're almost back to the homestead. And I hope that everyone enjoyed this road test. I know that Jack and I certainly did. And it is wonderful and special to have such a rare RS200 S-Spec in stock and available for purchase. Thank you for watching.